Are you a content writer looking for the best platforms to showcase your talent and earn money? If that's a yes, then boy, do we have the video for you. In this fast-paced digital age, it's crucial for content writers like yourself to find the right platforms to share your work, gain exposure, and of course, make a living. Let's face it, not all platforms are created equal. Some offer better opportunities, higher payouts, and a more engaged audience. That's why we've done the heavy lifting for you, sifting through the internet's vast expanse to bring you the cream of the crop. We're talking about the top 15 platforms for content writers in 2024. So buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey that will open up a world of opportunities for you. We'll also share some insider tips on how to maximize your earnings on these platforms. Join us as we count down the top 15 platforms for content writers in 2024. Kicking off our countdown at number 15 is Upwork, a global marketplace where freelancers meet potential clients. Upwork has made its mark in the world of content writing. It's a platform that encourages growth, allowing writers to showcase their skills and earn while they learn. To get started, you simply need to create a profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects that interest you. But remember, it's not just about securing a job, it's about building relationships. Your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Earning on Upwork is as straightforward as it gets. You negotiate a rate with your client, complete the work, and get paid. It's that simple. The platform handles all the nitty-gritty details of payment, including currencies and transfers, so you can focus on what you do best: writing. Upwork is a great starting point for any content writer looking to get their feet wet. Moving on to number 14, we have Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a marketplace that's quite unique. Unlike traditional job boards, it flips the script. Instead of clients posting jobs, freelancers, or as Fiverr calls them, sellers, create their own gigs. These gigs are essentially mini advertisements for services offered. What sets Fiverr apart is its flexibility. You, as a content writer, can create a gig showcasing your writing prowess, be it blog posts, articles, or even punchy product descriptions. You have total control over your rates, deadlines, and the scope of your services. But remember, competition on Fiverr is fierce. To stand out, make your gig as appealing as possible. Use compelling descriptions, showcase your best work, and don't shy away from those initial lower-priced gigs to build up your reputation. The key to success on Fiverr? Market yourself effectively. Fiverr can be a goldmine for content writers who know how to market their skills effectively. At number 13, we have Medium. Medium is a unique platform that offers content writers an expansive canvas to share their words and ideas with the world. Its minimalist design allows your work to take center stage, free from distracting ads and pop-ups. Medium's partner program is where the earning potential comes into play. By joining this program, you get paid when other Medium members engage with your work. This includes reading, clapping, and commenting on your articles. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to write high-quality content that resonates with readers. Medium is not just about the quantity of articles you publish, but the quality and the impact they make. From personal essays to in-depth research pieces, Medium is a place for every kind of writer. Remember, engaging with the community is a key part of success on Medium. Be active, interact with other writers and readers, and your work will get the attention it deserves. Medium is an excellent platform for content writers wanting to reach a wide audience. Coming in at number 12 is LinkedIn. Now, you may be thinking, LinkedIn, isn't that just for job searching? Well, not anymore. In recent years, LinkedIn has become so much more than a professional networking site. It's now a vibrant platform where content writers can thrive. LinkedIn offers a unique opportunity for writers to showcase their skills in front of a professional and engaged audience. You can publish articles directly on the site, positioning yourself as an industry expert. This exposure can attract clients and even job offers. But how do you earn money? Here's a tip. Use LinkedIn ProFinder. It's a service that matches freelancers with businesses seeking their skills. Just set up your profile, highlight your writing prowess, and wait for the offers to roll in. And remember, LinkedIn is not just a platform, it's a community. Engage with others, join groups, share insights, and watch your network and your earning potential grow. LinkedIn is a must for any content writer looking to connect with industry professionals. At number 11, we have Contently. This platform is a gem for any writer looking to connect with big brands and high-quality clients. Contently prides itself on being more than just a marketplace. It's a comprehensive platform where writers can showcase their portfolio, network with top-tier clients, and land well-paying gigs. So how do you get started? It's pretty straightforward. You create a free portfolio, add your best works, and voila, you're ready to be discovered by clients. But remember, Contently is quite selective, so make sure your portfolio is top-notch. The earning potential on Contently is impressive. Unlike many other platforms where you bid for jobs, Contently sets a standard rate for each project. This means you're assured of decent pay for your hard work. Contently is ideal for content writers looking for high-quality, well-paying gigs. It's a platform that values your skill and ensures you're compensated fairly for it. So what are you waiting for? Give Contently a shot. Cracking the top 10, we have ProBlogger. This platform is a gem for those of you who eat, sleep, and breathe blogging. ProBlogger is unique in its singular focus on blogging as a craft. Unlike other platforms, ProBlogger is not about the hustle of writing on all topics under the sun. Instead, it's a place where passionate bloggers can connect with clients who value quality blog content. Here's how it works. You create a profile showcasing your blogging prowess. Then you scout for suitable jobs posted by clients. Once you find a job you like, send your proposal and cross your fingers. If the client likes your pitch, you're in. Now let's talk money. Your earnings on ProBlogger will depend on the quality of your work and your negotiating skills. But remember, ProBlogger is all about quality, so always strive for excellence and the money will follow. ProBlogger is the go-to platform for bloggers wanting to monetize their skills. Coming in at number 9 is TextBroker. This platform is a goldmine for content writers seeking a steady inflow of assignments. TextBroker operates a bit like a matchmaking service, pairing up writers with clients who need content. What makes it stand out is its commitment to ensuring writers get paid fairly for their work. Here's how to make the most of TextBroker. Upon signing up, you'll be asked to submit a writing sample. This determines your initial rating, which can range from 2 to 5 stars. The higher your rating, the more you earn per word. But don't worry if you start with a lower rating. You can work your way up by consistently delivering quality content. One of the best ways to earn on TextBroker is to apply for direct orders. These are jobs posted by clients who specifically want to work with you. They typically pay more than regular orders. TextBroker is a great platform for content writers looking for a steady stream of work. At number 8, we have Writer Access. This platform is a goldmine for content writers. It's not just a job board, but a community that connects writers with a vast array of clients. This platform allows you to showcase your unique writing style and expertise to potential clients, making it easier to land gigs that suit your skills. One of the biggest advantages of Writer Access is its transparent payment system. You'll always know what you're earning before you start a project. Plus, the platform offers a variety of writing assignments, from blog posts and articles to ebooks and white papers, broadening your earning potential. To make the most of Writer Access, take the time to create a robust profile and portfolio. Showcase your best work and don't be afraid to apply for assignments even if they're outside your comfort zone. With a bit of persistence and creativity, you can turn Writer Access into a lucrative income stream. Writer Access is a great platform for content writers wanting to work with a variety of clients. At number 7, we have ClearVoice. This platform is a game changer for content writers. ClearVoice stands out by providing a fully integrated content marketing platform, making it easier than ever to create, collaborate, and publish high-quality content. Getting started on ClearVoice is a breeze. Simply sign up, set up your profile, and showcase your best work in your portfolio. The platform's algorithm will then match you with clients that fit your skills and expertise. Now let's talk about the money, shall we? ClearVoice operates on a per-project basis. You set your own rates, giving you control over your earnings. Plus, ClearVoice has a reputation for attracting high-profile clients, so there's potential for you to land some big-ticket projects. ClearVoice also makes the payment process hassle-free. Once your work is approved, the funds are directly transferred to your account. No need to chase clients for payment. ClearVoice is perfect for content writers looking to collaborate with big brands. Coming in at number 6 is Constant Content. This platform is unique in its approach to connecting content writers with clients. Instead of bidding on projects, writers on Constant Content create and upload their articles into a vast marketplace. Clients then browse this marketplace and purchase articles that fit their needs. One of the standout features of Constant Content is its focus on quality. The platform employs a team of professional editors who review and edit submissions before they hit the marketplace. This commitment to quality not only ensures that clients get top-notch content, but also helps writers improve their craft. For those looking to make money on constant content, the key lies in understanding market demand. Research popular topics and industry trends, then craft articles that cater to these needs. Remember, your articles should not only be well written, but also offer unique insights or perspectives. Constant content is a great platform for content writers wanting to sell their work directly to clients. Breaking into the top 5, we have Blogging Pro. This platform is a goldmine for content writers, offering a vast array of opportunities to blog about topics you love. It's like an open marketplace where writers meet clients in need of their expertise. To use Blogging Pro, you just need to set up an account, showcase your writing skills, and start browsing through the job listings. The platform itself is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned writers. What sets Blogging Pro apart is its focus on blogging. This means you can find jobs that specifically suit your blogging style and niche. You can earn on Blogging Pro by applying for jobs listed on the platform. Each job post includes a pay range, so you can choose the ones that match your desired income. Remember, your earnings depend on the quality of your work and your ability to meet client expectations. Blogging Pro is a must for any blogger looking to turn their passion into profit. At number 4, we have Freelancer. This platform has been around for a while and it's still going strong in 2024. What's the secret sauce? Variety and volume. Freelancer is like a bustling market filled with a wide range of projects. You'll find everything from ghostwriting novels to crafting catchy marketing copy. Now, how do you make the most of it? Well, first, you've got to build a solid profile. Make sure your portfolio showcases your best work. Second, be proactive in bidding on projects. Don't wait for clients to come to you. And lastly, keep your communication game strong. Clear and prompt responses can make a world of difference. As for earning money, Freelancer has a bidding system. You can set your own rates and negotiate directly with clients. Just remember, quality work commands a quality price. Freelancer is a great platform for content writers wanting to bid on a wide range of projects. Moving into the top 3, we have Guru. Guru is a platform that's been around for a while. Just like fine wine, it's only gotten better with time. It's an excellent platform for content writers who want to establish long-term relationships with clients. One of the key features of Guru that sets it apart is the workroom feature. This allows for seamless collaboration between writers and clients, ensuring clear communication and effective project management. To get started on Guru, simply set up a profile showcasing your writing skills and past experience. Make sure to highlight your strengths and unique selling points to attract potential clients. Now let's talk about the money-making aspect. On Guru, you can either set a fixed price for your projects or charge per hour. The platform also allows for flexible payment terms, so you can negotiate a deal that suits both you and the client. In conclusion, Guru is ideal for content writers looking for long-term partnerships with clients. At number 2, we have TopTal. This platform is unique in the sense that it exclusively caters to the top 3% of freelance talent worldwide. TopTal's rigorous screening process ensures only the most skilled and experienced content writers make the cut, creating an elite community of professionals. Now, how does TopTal work? It operates on a matching system. Once you're accepted, TopTal matches you with clients who need your specific skills. This means you don't have to spend time bidding on projects, which can be a game changer for many freelancers. As for tips on earning, quality over quantity is the mantra. Since TopTal attracts high-end clients, they're willing to pay more for top-notch content. So focus on honing your craft and delivering your best work every single time. Also, make sure to keep your profile updated and highlight any niche expertise you possess. TopTal is a great platform for content writers wanting to work with top-tier clients. And finally, at number 1, we have Scripted. This platform is the creme de la creme for content writers, offering the chance to work with top-tier clients and earn competitive rates. Scripted is unique in its approach, as it curates a community of writers to ensure high-quality content. As a writer, you'll be asked to demonstrate your skills through a rigorous application process. Once accepted, you'll have access to a wide variety of assignments from diverse industries. The platform is user-friendly, with a clear interface that makes it easy to find and apply for jobs. Now let's talk money. Scripted provides transparency in its payment structure with set rates for different types of content. This means you'll know exactly what you're earning before you even start a project. In conclusion, if you're a content writer looking to work with premium clients and earn a steady income, Scripted is the platform for you. Scripted is the ultimate platform for content writers wanting to reach the highest levels of the industry. And there you have it, the top 15 platforms for content writers in 2024. From Upwork's vast freelancer marketplace to Scripted's specialized platform for content writers, each platform offers unique opportunities to showcase your talent and earn income. Fiverr and Freelancer give you the freedom to set your own rates, while Medium and LinkedIn offer the chance to grow your personal brand. Contently and Clear Voice focus on connecting writers with high-quality clients, and Textbroker and Writer Access provide a steady stream of work. ProBlogger and Blogging Pro are go-to platforms for bloggers, and Constant Content lets you sell your articles at your chosen price. Guru and TopTal offer exclusive access to top-tier projects. With such a variety at your fingertips, you're sure to find a platform that fits your needs and helps you thrive as a content writer. Remember, the best platform for you is the one that meets your personal and professional needs. Happy writing!